Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing? Today we're going to be talking all about Black Friday and all of the sales that are going on for a ton of different indie brands. I took this weekend and just went through and basically did a guide of all these different sales from all of my favorite indie brands, what they're going to have on sale, if they're launching something new, what the dates are, what the code is, everything you need to know to be prepared for Black Friday if you are looking to purchase from some indie brands. I feel like it's an amazing day to support small businesses, whether it's for yourself or others. I think it's an amazing gift to be able to have something very unique, a lot of times handmade, or just with a special story behind it. So I'm definitely going to be shopping some of the sales for different small brands on Friday, hopefully get some Christmas shopping done because I have done pretty much none so far. I'm so behind. But before we get into everything, I just wanted to let you know that I'm not going to be going super in depth on recommendations for each brand because I have a ton of information here to get through. But if you go on my channel on desktop, like just my main channel page, there is a search bar and you can search any of these brands and every single video I've ever done on any of them will show up. So for example, the first brand that I have here is Oden. You can go to my desktop page, search Oden, and then you'll get every video I've ever done, full face of Oden first impressions, Oden reviews, lip swatches, everything Oden. You'll have all of my videos on, which I mean, pretty much all these brands I have a ton of videos on. So if you are looking for further recommendations and content and everything, that's what I would recommend you to do to get all of the information rather than me just like trying to like throw it into this video really fast. So let's go ahead and start. Like I said, the first brand I have listed here is Oden, and their sale is going to be happening from Friday the 26th to Sunday the 28th. They did not list a time yet, but they did say that their entire site is going to be 40% off. I don't know if there's any exclusions, but personally I would recommend their new Legendary Diversa collection. I also really love their lipsticks. So those would be my top picks from Oden. And then next from Devinah Cosmetics, their Black Friday sale is going to be starting on November 25th at 12 p.m. PST. So they're gonna have a few different new launches. They've been sneak peeking a ton of new single shadows on their Instagram currently, but the best sale that they're having is their new Carnival Sweets collection, which will be 50% off for Black Friday, and then everything else on their website is going to be 25% off for Black Friday. I know that they have been closed down the last month or so preparing for Black Friday and trying to stock up as much as possible, but I just have to throw this little rant in here that indie brands a lot of times are run by one person, two people. They're handmade, they're a small business. So I would just keep that in mind, to have grace and to realize like if something sells out, like that doesn't mean that they don't want you to buy from them or that they have like some ulterior motive. They're just a small brand. I know that happens to Devinah often, and who knows, maybe they'll end up doing a pre-order or something. That's what they've done in the past when they had a really good sale and stuff sold out. They've done pre-orders so that everyone could get that discounted price. But remember, small brands are not big brands. So like I said, they're gonna have 25% off everything else on their website, and I have so many Devinah videos. I would say I highly recommend any of their special shades. That's what I would go for first, and then also I feel like their bronzers are a hidden gem if I had to throw those in. So next, Blend Bunny Cosmetics is going to be having a sale, and it's actually going to be on Wednesday, the 24th. It's going to be 24 hours only, and it's going to be 25% off their entire website. I do want to have a video up tomorrow for this sale to have with one of their palettes and their new brush set, just to throw it out there. So hopefully that'll be live tomorrow, and you can have more of my opinion because I've been playing with their palettes a lot off camera. But the code is going to be BLENDSDAY. So I'm going to have that on screen so you guys can see. I'll have all the codes, and I'll try and list as much as I can in the description box. But like I said, 25% off on Wednesday, and that's, I believe, the sale that they're doing. They're not doing anything on Friday or Cyber Monday or anything from what I could find on their website. Next, from BK Beauty, we have a lot going on. So their sale starts today on Tuesday. It started at 8 a.m. CST, and it is going to be finishing on the 29th. So they're having 20 to 35% off site-wide. They also just launched a new travel brush set, And with that travel brush set, if you do decide to purchase it, then you get a free eyeshadow palette. It's their, I believe, called True Beauty eyeshadow palette. It wasn't my absolute favorite because it's like a very, very soft, subtle palette, but I could see how it would be a good gift if you got it as an extra for someone else in your life if they don't wear as much makeup or something. I'm pretty sure I gave mine to my mom if I remember correctly, so that's the kind of vibe that it gives me, is like someone who doesn't wear as much makeup. So if you wanted to do it as like a little extra gift, but that is going to be free with the brush set. And then they're also doing free US shipping over $50. And they also did a restock of their Angie from Hot and Flashy brush set that is available again now. So the code is BFCM21. All right, next for Terra Moons, this is another one that has a ton of information. Their sale is going to be starting on Wednesday the 24th as well, tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is one of the sales I would definitely look out for because I feel like it's a really good deal, and also Terra Moons is one of my favorite indie brands ever. I feel like they have so many amazing shadows. I love their quality. I feel like you genuinely can't go wrong with anything that you buy from them. So they're going to be doing BOGO, buy one, get one on all of their regular eyeshadows. I cannot recommend their matte neutral shadows enough. I mean, all their matte shadows are really good, and their neon mattes and their pastel mattes, but I feel like their matte neutrals are so, so, so good. And then they're also going to be doing an empty palette sale. So they have a 40 pan palette, which is normally 15, that'll be on sale for 12. They have a 20 pan palette that's normally 10, that'll be on sale for 8. Their lip glosses are normally $12 each. They're going to be on sale for $9 each. And then they also said that all of their specialty shades are going to be restocked and on sale. So I'm not sure what exactly the percentage will be, but there will also be a discount on all their special shades, which again are amazing. It says there's no code needed, and I believe that they also said that they would be doing a pre-order for their special shades, so if they sell out, they will be making sure that everyone can still get them, kind of thing. Another sale that I'm excited about that I might pick up some things from, just depending on if what I want is back in stock or not, I'm not sure, but that is going to be Sydney Grace. They are doing 25% off everything on their website. The sale starts on the 26th at 9 a.m. PST, and then it will be ending on the 29th on Monday. They did say, at 12 a.m. PST, they said that anything out of stock will be restocked, I'm pretty sure, in January, and they will do a sale then. So if there's something that you want now and it's not coming back in stock, it doesn't show up for the sale, they said that, I mean, obviously it'll no longer be valid for Christmas or for like gift giving or whatever, but if you were just looking to buy for, you know, just wanting to get it on sale, they will be doing a sale on out of stock items in January. So next we have GlamLite. They are doing 40% off site-wide, no exclusions at all. Anything that you want from GlamLite is currently 40% off, and it is already a sale that's live. It's been live for I think like 2 or 3 days now, so I'm not sure if they're gonna have some things going out of stock or not, but that's another one that's pretty good, 40% off and no exclusions. So their newer palettes, their collabs, everything I believe is 40% off. Can't beat that. So next we have Kaleidos. They are doing 20% off site-wide. I believe that their sale has already started and that it ends on the 30th. They also said, this is a little random, but if you spend over $100, you get a free pair of socks. They're kind of like in a cool little pattern, like they go along with the Kaleidos aesthetic, but it just made me laugh, like, you get socks. Okay, next we have JD Glow Cosmetics. So they're actually going to be doing 2 different sales. They're doing a Pink Friday sale and then a Cyber Monday sale, but the Pink Friday one is 40% off and the Cyber Monday one is 30%. So I mean, if it was me personally, I would recommend going for the Black Friday one, save that extra 10% off. So it says that it's starting on the 25th at 12 a.m. CST, and it'll end on the 26th at 11:59 p.m. CST. So it's going to be 40% off, like I said, and the code is PINK 2021. They did say that the sale excludes their multi-chromes. So next we have Lethal Cosmetics. This is another one I'm tempted to shop because they're going to be doing 40% off build your own palettes, and I've been really wanting to do like a cool toned grungy single shadow palette from Lethal. I have a lot of single shadows from them, but most of them are very colorful, so I'm kind of like debating on doing like some gray, some black, like some silver, like just that kind of color story out of their BYOP. I feel like that's one I would want to be like there like the moment the sale starts, because I wanted to get the exact shades that I wanted and stuff. So that I need to do a little bit more research for myself personally, but that's something I'm interested in. They're also going to be doing 25 to 40% off lip products and face products, as well as 20 to 40% off eye products and eye palettes, or empty eye palettes, empty palettes. You could do face products on them too, just empty palettes. And then one more thing which I thought was really fun is they're doing a mystery bag that retails for 25 euros, but it's going to have a 75 euro value, which I think that seems like a really fun idea to me. If you've never tried anything from Lethal, then that might be a good, like a fun little thing to start off with. Next, we have Alamar. They already have their sale live right now, and they are doing 40% off all of their core collection products, which I believe is everything on their website except for their new Encanto collection, which just launched, which is so beautiful. I know I haven't talked about it in any makeup releases yet, but I definitely bought a few things. I was tempted to buy the whole collection. It's the cutest Disney collab I've ever seen, but everything on their website will be 40% off except for that collection. Okay, next we have Touch of Glam. So they are going to be doing 25% off of everything. The code is BF25 off, and their sale starts on the 23rd. I definitely just put PST and I did not put the time. Okay, let me grab that real quick. It'll be starting at 12 p.m. PST. And then I believe that they are also launching some new pastel multi-chromes. I don't know that those will be on sale, but they're launching at the same time and they look stunning. So pretty, very, very tempting. Next we have Makeup Geek. They will be doing a 30% off site-wide sale, and that'll be beginning on the 26th and ending on the 29th at 11:59 p.m. They didn't give me a time zone though. I did reach out to several brands like directly through their messages because not everyone had posted their Black Friday deals. So if there's any brands I'm not mentioning here, it's because they didn't get back to me. I know ones that I was really wanting to mention was Ace Beauty, Mented Cosmetics, Lunar Beauty, but I haven't heard anything back. So if I do see anything, I will make sure to add them into the description box. If the description box runs out of room, I'll add them into a pinned comment and just try to keep this going to help you guys as much as possible. So next we have Glow by Auric, which was another one where I was very intrigued what their sale was going to be. Kind of leaving this towards the end because this sale to me is a little like wah wah wah. If you were going to make an order, then maybe this is a good time, but I was just hoping for more, honestly. So they are going to be doing free US shipping over $50. And then they're also going to be doing international shipping at 50% off for 24 hours only. That is going to be 12 a.m. PST at on the 26th. So like I said, it'll last for 24 hours, free US shipping or 50% off international shipping. And then next we have Glaminatrix Cosmetics. They're going to be doing 20% off all of their single shadows and pressed pigments. And then they're also going to be launching some new multi-chromes, which I believe will be excluded from the sale. The code is just Black Friday. It'll be starting November 26th at 12 a.m. AEST to the 28th at 12 a.m. AEST. Next we have Midas Cosmetics, which they're not doing, like they said it's not a Black Friday sale, but they are doing a 3-year anniversary sale on Friday. They said that they'll be doing 50% off all palettes, $2 lip products, $1 glitters, and 60% off everything else. They said that it'll be beginning Friday at 12:01 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. PST. So again, just for 24 hours. And I think that seems like a pretty good deal if there's anything you're wanting to try from Midas. I mean, 50 to 60% off, plus like $2 lips, $1 glitters. If that's something you're interested in, I think that's a good deal. All right, y'all, if this little part of the video looks weird, it's because I'm filming it a few hours later. There was just one sale that I forgot and I really wanted to mention. Propa Beauty is also having a Black Friday sale. They are having up to 50% off their website. And then you can also use an affiliate code to save a little bit of extra money off of the discount that is already there. I have a code with Propa Beauty, which is just AMYLOVES, and like I said, it'll save you a little bit extra. The sale is already live and it will be available until Cyber Monday, which is the 29th. So that was definitely a ton of information, a ton of different sales from so many indie brands. I would love to know what you're planning on purchasing, if there's any brands you're going to be trying for the first time, or just I would love to know what's on your wish list. And that is everything for today's video. If you want to see more content about independently owned brands, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.